Traders, hope you are having a great day wherever you are in the world. I want to update you on the test that I've been running on our new alerts, these trade alerts over here in the alerts log. I did a video previously about this. It was an intro, and I explained in that video that what I did was took every alert regardless. In other words, I was trading against the trend in choppy markets, where the price was ranging. Completely disregarded any strategy or rules. I just took these at random, and the results were very impressive, to say the least. I got 28 trades here, 5 losses. I kicked this account off with 100,000. This is a demo account. I set this up so that I could test out the indicators. In the last couple of days, it's generated a $5,000 profit. So yeah, 28 trades, 5 losses. It's coming over to this calculator. 28 trades, 5 losses, win 23. So that's an 82% win rate. And I did this exercise as a worst case scenario, just blindly taking every one of these. Now, here's the thing. What we're going to do in this video is establish a rule base to increase the win rate and reduce risk. And here it is. It's really simple. One chart. The signal fires. We come into the chart. Do we have a breakout of the cloud? Yeah, right there. And you can see the cloud here. Breaks out of the cloud. Yes. Do we have a pullback into the mean? This line or thereabouts. 2 ticks. The bars are green. That will happen anyway. Do we have a solid green bar that's been showing under? Yes. This is a 4H and a 1D indicator. It tells us when the momentum is strong, inclusive of both of these time frames. So that's another tick. The multi-time frame, higher time frame down here. The majority of these in favor of the trend. Well, we can see we've got 3 out of 5 green. Everything stacks up and we take this trade. That's it. We keep it simple and we just follow these rules. If these conditions don't stack up, we leave it alone. For example, if this paints a lower high and we see these white candles coming into play, well, it's a no-brainer. We leave that alone. That's changing color. This is mixed. Keep it simple, follow the rules, and I think this is going to be an absolute game changer. Okay, so we enter this trade. Where are we going to place our stop and where's our target? Generally, we're looking for a reference point from the previous swing, and this is a pretty shallow pullback. So we're going to run with what we've got here. Keeping this really simple. Have a look at this yellow line that we have here. This is a part of our indicator, giving us a previous daily high or low. We've got one here. And we've got another one under here. Okay, look left and you'll see these indicators. This one back here, that's a weekly, right? So you want to really pay attention to these levels that the indicator is picking up. You have these reference points. You also have our cloud. So you want to bring the stop loss into the cloud and use a bit of common sense in this case. I mean, look, generally we would run with a previous low and you set your stop loss under that. But given that this is a shallow pullback, it's as simple as looking left, picking up, okay, we've got daily levels here, that's fine. Pull it into the cloud, because generally in the trend, this is going to, mostly, it's going to avoid the cloud, you see, until we break through the cloud here. We had a bit of a pullback. Well, this was trading in the cloud. But once we've broken out of the cloud, it will generally avoid the cloud to a degree until we see a shift in the trend, right? So we can use the cloud. We're in the cloud with the stop. Below these dailies levels here, there's your stop loss. Now, where's your target? We're going to use these swings. See this swing high here? Well, think of this as a trend continuation. You get higher low, higher high, higher low, etc. We can anticipate that price is looking to extend beyond the previous high. Trend continuation, previous high, it extends beyond. That's a target. If you want to, you can go T1 at 1-to-1 risk reward, and this could be T2. In any case, there's a target. It's keeping it really simple. Always have a target set at the previous higher high. Okay, so with this strategy and simple set of rules, we want to increase this win rate and reduce our risk. As I mentioned earlier, I was taking these at random, really pushing this to the limit, worst case scenario. So yeah, we can definitely look to improve this outcome. Guys, I would invite you to jump on board and join us on this journey. I'm making this available for only $29.95 at the moment. I think there's a need for this in the world. I'm happy to share this. I don't want to give it away for free, and there are so many benefits. Sharp meat, fish and chips once a month, and you have full access to everything. Yeah, so with that, there will be ongoing videos, tutorials, and as I mentioned, we're going to get very precise about this entry criteria moving forward, more so than what I've described in the video. So guys, with that, I hope you have a great day, safe trading, and see you in the next one.